On you, 3, 2, 1! Wait, I'm going to give the judges some time to deliberate. Right now, I actually want to give a massive shout out to our bosses at Affirming Works, Bate and Percy. Please put up your hands. They're super humble men, but without them, we wouldn't have this space, we wouldn't have Krump clubs, we wouldn't have BEATDOWN, we wouldn't have a lot of things that our community are really fortunate to have. Okay, cool. So without them and their support, we wouldn't be able to have this platform. So please give them a round of applause to Affirming Works, y'all. Crazy. Yo, it's insane. Okay, cool. Shut up, judges. This is much time as I. Alright, here we go. Come on. Everybody with me, let's count down from 5. Here we go. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got red, blue, 2 ties, and red. That's 2 points to red. Make some noise for 4 teams. Moving on to the finals. Massive shout out again to SOULJAH, BULLDOZER, y'all, all the way from the US. He's from